Okay. Can you all see my screen, please?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we've got about 91 questions, I think, to go through. Can you see clearly?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good. So the first question, match each operating system concept to its definition. So to answer, we will need to move each term from the list on the left to its definition on the right. So we have this, contains the security credentials for a login session and identifies the user, the user's groups, and user's privileges. So is it an access token, daemon, driver, boot, or open source? So let me go through the rest. Anyone can obtain the source code and modify the software free of charge. Then we have the process of starting. Come again?
Oh, I thought, are we answering now, or are we to wait
Yes,
for?
yes, I'm just reading out the options, then we can answer. So
Okay.
the process of starting an operating system, which is during this process, an operating system loads all the software drivers that enable a computer's hardware components to communicate with each other. Then you have a small software program that enables the operating system and a device to communicate with each other. Then we have start a boot time and runs as a background process to support multitasking. So these are the available concepts. So how do we match them?
Hey.
Yes.
Open source, anyone can obtain.
Or the boot. I think the boot is the process of starting an operating system. During this process, an operating system loads all the software drivers.
Okay.
Then you use hardware components to communicate with each other.
Okay. So boot is
agree.
done. Which one again?
I said open source, so
Open source.
That's correct.
anyone can obtain the source code.
Okay. So open source. And what's next?
Driver. What's the driver? The driver. Software that enables the potential users to communicate.
So the driver.
That's a good time.
I've got the driver. Then
Small
what's next?
software that enables the operating system and device to communicate with each other.
Okay.
Start boot time and runs as a background process to support multitasking.
Okay. So what is that?
I don't know. Okay, then token. The token, access token is the first one.
Okay, access token. Okay.
Session.
So obviously the last one will be the daemon, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. Next. So we got it right. Correct? Well done. Okay. For each statement regarding the basic functions of web browsers, select yes if the statement is true and no if the statement is false. Okay? Web browsers are the internet. Is it a yes or a no?
No.
Okay. Web browsers are search engines. Is that a yes or a no?
No. No.
No.
Okay. Web browsers are software applications that retrieve and present information from the World Wide Web. Is it a yes or a no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Web browsers use URLs to connect to resources such as web pages, images, and videos. Sorry.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next. Go team. Got it. Okay. You just signed up for an account on Google. Your new account uses single sign-on. Which three are benefits of single sign-ons? Choose three. So you have stronger security, You only need to remember one set of login details. A single sign-on is government-owned and operated. After signing on, you can access your email, document storage, apps, and other sites with full access. Credentials are stored on Amazon, Facebook, and Google, and you can log in without using passwords. So we want 3 of them.
3 of them.
Yes.
You have stronger security.
Okay.
Is that so? I don't think so.
Okay.
I think you can log in without using.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes.
What do you think?
We can use it.
I
Yes.
think
After signing on, you can access your
Okay.
document storage, apps, and other
yes, that's
sites.
fine.
Access.
Then what was
Credentials
the
are stored.
last one?
You can log in.
No, that's
Wait, you need to remember, you have strong, you only need to remember one set of login details. I
Okay.
think the second one.
Is that all?
How many are we asked to take? Is it not 3?
Just three of them. So that's it, right?
Of
Let
course,
me
it's
Is
not
that it?
government owned and
Me too.
operated. So yes,
Okay.
yes,
It's
that's
okay,
correct.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next. That's it. Well done.
Good.
Okay.
well done.
Match each digital navigation term to its definition. To answer, move each term from the list on the left to its definition on the right. So a markup language used to create web pages. So is that a domain name service, a cookie, or hypertext markup language, breadcrumb, or internet service provider? Then a company that connects users to the internet. A text file that tracks the activity of a user on a website, allows users to retrace their steps on a website. A hierarchical directory that maps the location of resources on the internet. So what
I
say
think
you?
it's a markup
A markup
language used to
language.
create web pages.
Yes. HTML, right?
Okay. Then the next one.
Because ISP is a company that connects you.
ISP.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And the next.
In fact, a text abstract that between the user of the website. That should be
DNS, right?
That is what?
the cookie.
that should be a cookie.
Cookie. Okay. Okay.
Allow user to retrace the steps of the website.
Website.
I don't know. Is that a
That's a
bread?
cookie,
I don't know yet. Let's go for the last one first.
Okay.
Hierarchical directory that maps
That maps the location of resources on the internet.
I think that's the DNS.
DNS, domain name service. Okay.
DNS.
Let's
No.
see. Is that it?
DNS, a hierarchical directory that maps the location of resources on the internet. What about I don't think so. I mean,
okay.
Don't confuse me.
What do you think is the answer?
What do you think is the answer, please?
I think I will go for this hypertext markup language.
Okay, what about a language used to create
Oh,
web
what?
pages? Then
Oh,
where
which
will you
one?
place that?
Okay.
Oh, this is that. That's the markup language.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next.
Yeah, we've changed.
That's it. Correct.
That's correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
So remember when I used the Cisco packet tracer where you were able to use the IP address of Google instead of google.com.
Yes.
So that is more or less like the phone book of the internet. So for each statement regarding input devices, select yes if the statement is true and no if the statement is false.
Input devices.
Yes. So which one is an input device? A mouse is an input device. Is that a yes or a no?
Yes.
Okay. A monitor is an input device. Is that a yes or a no?
No.
Okay,
no.
a speaker is an input device. Is that a yes or a no?
No.
No.
A keyboard is an input device. Is that a yes or a no?
Say yes.
Yes.
A microphone is an input
Yes.
device. Is that a yes or a no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
next. Hey, go, you. Okay. For each statement regarding output devices, select yes if the statement is true and no if it is false. A headphone is an output device. Yes or a no?
Is a yes.
Yes.
Okay. A
Yes.
keyboard is an output device. Yes or a no?
No.
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 A printer is an output device. Yes or a no?
Yes.
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 Okay. A scanner is an output device. Yes or a no?
No.
Yes.
No.
No.
Okay.
No.
No.
A microphone is an output device. Is that a yes or a no?
No.
No.
No. It's impurity.
Okay. Next.
Microphone.
No.
No.
What?
We said no.
No.
You said
Microphone.
no.
You said no. Oh, and I
You said
selected
Yes.
yes.
no.
Yeah, we
Sorry,
said
sorry.
no. We said
Sorry.
no.
We said no.
It's
We
an
said
input.
no.
No problem. No
Ha.
problem.
Oh,
Sorry. My
Is it?
mistake.
You said no.
We
No
said
problem. Okay. So
Fifty.
examine the yes. Yes. I'm sorry. Forgive me.
okay.
E- Examine the image to identify the connector types. Match each label to its connector type. To answer, move each label from the list on the left to the letter on the right. Okay.
Okay.
So A is what? What is A?
A is
B,
HDMI.
C, and D, and E.
A
So
is
you just
display.
give me what you know.
I
A
think
What
A
is
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 B?
display.
Okay, no,
A
A is
is
display only.
display
A
only.
is what? Display only.
Display only.
Yes,
Yeah.
A is display
So
only.
what about B?
B is
HDMI.
internet.
Okay, and C?
Internet. Internet, yes.
C.
Sorry.
C is HDMI.
Uh-huh.
D
And
is
D,
USB.
D is
USB.
USB.
E is Ethernet.
Okay.
E
Then
is
Ethernet.
audio only. E.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry,
Audio.
audio only. Yeah.
Audio only. Okay. So next, boom, well done. Match each concept about software applications to its definition. Okay. So we have one designed to perform a variety of functions. The next one is designed for a single purpose and performs a single function, runs from the cloud, and must be installed on the computer before it can run. So which is which?
Okay. Web-based application runs from the cloud.
Okay.
Desktop
Mhm.
I
application.
can't hear you again.
Desktop application must be installed on the computer before it can be run.
Okay.
Designed for a single purpose and performs a single function. That should
Designed
be
to perform a variety of functions. That should be application. Wait, which one is that? Designed for a single purpose and performs a single function. That's an app. That's an app. Then an application is designed to perform a variety of functions.
Okay. Do you all agree?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Well done. Team, got it. Good. So for each statement regarding proprietary versus open source software, select yes if the statement is true and no if it is false. So open source refers to software source code that is available for anybody to access and modify. A yes or a no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Proprietary software refers to software that is owned by an individual or company who developed it. Is that a yes or a no?
Yes.
Yes.
Proprietary software is usually free. Is that a yes or a no?
No.
No.
Open source software is generally sold commercially. Is that a yes or a no?
Mm, I don't know.
Yes?
No, no, no.
I'm
No.
not
No,
sure.
Okay.
no, no.
Proprietary software generally has technical support. Yes or a
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Open source software usually has no technical support or is only supported by community forums. Is that a yes or a no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Well done. Match each process of moving software between users and online sources to its definition. Okay. So the process of moving a file from its online source onto a computing device is what? The process of taking a file from your computing device and sending it to an online location is also referred to as what? And
Uploading.
putting executable programs on your computing device, and software is generally hosted in the cloud and paid for either annually or monthly. So what do we do?
Okay, so downloading,
Installing it.
the process of moving a file from its online source onto your
Mhm.
computer, and uploading, the process of taking a file from your computer device and sending it to online location, and installing, putting executive program on your computer device, that's installing, then subscribe is the last one.
Okay.
Generally hosted.
You guys have switched on. Oh, it's good. Okay. Rank each of the following computing devices from most powerful to least powerful.
Okay.
To answer, move each computing device from their list on the left to its ranking on the right. So which one is the most powerful?
So we have
Desktop.
desktop,
Mhm.
followed by laptop, followed by
Mhm.
tablet, followed by
Smartphone.
smartphone.
Tablets and smartphones.
Smartphone.
Okay, that's good. Wow, I'm happy. You have a desktop computer and would like to boost its speed for a better gaming experience. You decide to add more memory. Which two are types of memory?
RAM.
ROM and RAM.
RAM.
ROM and RAM.
RAM.
Okay. Hey, Charlie, that's good. You take a lot of digital photos and you need more storage space. You decide to expand the data storage on your computer. Which three are types of data storage?
Hard disk
Of
drive.
course, hard disk drive, solid state drive.
Mhm.
USB flash drive.
Okay.
And USB flash.
Okay.
Might be a storage of
Charlie,
the
that's
USB.
good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay. For each statement regarding mobile device operating systems, select yes if the statement is true and no if the statement is false. So the operating system on approximately 70% of the world's mobile devices is Android. Yes or a no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
There are more apps for iOS than for Android. Yes or a no?
No.
Okay. Apps for iOS tends to have fewer security issues than apps for Android.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. The
Yes.
operating system on approximately 30% of the world's mobile devices is iOS.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait. App for iOS. Thank you.
That is Apple. Yeah. 30%.
Yes. 30%. Yes.
Yeah.
I have
Okay.
no one.
So there are three primary desktop computer operating systems: Windows, Mac, and Linux. What are three main functions that all computer operating systems have in common? So provide a user interface, provide services for application software, provide 100% hack-proof security, provide video gaming, manage telephone and messaging services, manage resources such as CPU, memory, disk drives, and peripherals. So we are choosing 3.
Take the last one,
Provide
manage
a user interface, 1.
Okay.
Provide a user
the user
interface.
interface.
Provide services for application software.
Okay. So that's it. Okay. Boom. Well done. So match each network connectivity concept to its definition to answer, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So a circuit board that enables a desktop computer to connect to a network. What is that?
Circuit board that enables the network to connect to a
A
network.
network.
I think you
So
said it was
router. Okay. Or modem.
Okay. Let me decide and let me know. A device that sends and receives information between your home and ISP through the phone lines, optical fiber, or TV coaxial cable.
a router.
A router? Okay. A technology that connects computers together in a local area network.
Local area.
Connect multiple networks and forward packets between them. Come again?
That's a technology that connects computers together in the local area network. That's the
Yes.
router.
A technology. So you mean this should be a router. Okay.
Oh.
No.
Okay.
I don't think so.
You don't think
No.
so?
I
So they
don't
should go
think
back.
so.
Okay.
Oh, no, we can leave it where it is.
So what do we do? Yes.
Let me see the rest.
node first. Connect
Network adapter.
The first one, network adapter. Okay. Then what else? What else do we have?
Local area network is the Ethernet is what's the Ethernet again?
For me, I think that router, the router will connect multiple networks now. I think that's one that connects them. And
Okay.
It acts like that police officer or something like that. The router.
So
like
router connect multiple networks. Now we can use more than one. Options we can be used for more than one. So don't worry.
Like the router, the controls traffic, data traffic.
Okay.
Okay, a technology that connects computers together in a local area network. Could that be cable? Could that be cable service?
Then that number one. Okay, sorry. A circuit board, all right? Desktop computer to connect to a network.
Yes.
A computer to connect to a network.
I think the one connecting on the local area is a Ethernet.
Okay.
Let's see the last
one.
Okay. Let's see the last. Okay, a networking technology that runs on TV, coaxial cable, network technology that runs on telephone.
Digital subscriber line. Okay, cable service. That's a cable service.
Cable service. Okay.
Okay, networking technology that runs on TV. On TV. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, networking technology that runs on telephone wires, right? But no, which one is a device that sends? They all look alike. A device that sends, receives information between your home and between the phone. TV quasi. That's not the cable. This one that has TV coaxial cable. Cable. It's not the cable service. A device that sends and receives information between your home. Oh, okay. An ISP through the phone lines, optical fiber or TV. It's not a cable.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Is that not a cable service? That device that sends and receives information between your home. Okay, between your home and ISP, the internet service provider. That device through the phone lines of school or TV. Okay. That's not the cable service. That's not a cable service at all. But a networking technology that runs on telephone wires. Telephone wires.
Then we have another one that runs on TV coaxial cable.
Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, the network now. This one I saw. That's the cable network.
Okay.
Yeah, because I know I saw something like TV.
Network.
You know that cable network for the last one. Yeah.
Okay.
So
then a networking technology that runs on telephone wires is what?
Would that be modem?
Modem. Okay.
Digital.
So let's see.
Are you sure it's not the subscriber line? Remember what they said? They said telephone wires. Not the digital subscriber line.
So do you want me to change it?
Wait, Mr. What's his name?
No, please go ahead. I mean, I'm not 100% certain. So if you feel that I'm not 100% certain, with that answer. So
we're still learning. So if you don't get it,
phone wires,
we'll learn from our mistakes.
For
Let's
us.
go ahead.
So go ahead.
Yes.
It's not digital subscriber line. I don't know, Chef.
Okay.
So we have modem, which is a
Yeah,
device that sends and receives information between your home and ISP through the phone lines, optical fiber, or TV coaxial cable.
That's
And
a
a
modem.
networking technology that runs on telephone wires is the digital subscriber line.
Okay. Thank you.
Are we okay with that? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to use your smartphone to browse the internet. A smartphone can connect to the internet using which two methods? Choose two. How can your smartphone connect to the internet? Wi-Fi.
Data plan from a cellular carrier or Wi-Fi.
Okay. Good. Okay. Both. You are trying to decide whether to connect your laptop using Wi-Fi or a wired connection to the internet. What are two advantages of a wired network over a Wi-Fi network? Choose two. Advantages of wired over Wi-Fi.
Speed is faster.
Speed is faster.
Okay.
And security.
Okay.
Security? Wait. What's the question again? Okay, sorry.
You are deciding whether to use Wi-Fi or wired network.
Okay.
So speed and security. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is networking infrastructure?
Networking infrastructure.
Hardware and software that move data along a network.
Okay.
Yes.
Boom.
That's the answer.
Okay. You are having difficulty sending and receiving information. How can you identify whether your device is connected to the internet?
Open a browser.
Open a browser. Okay. That's the only way. Okay.
Yes.
You work in a school computer lab as an assistant to the network administrator. You arrive to the lab early before anyone else and notice you cannot access the internet. You begin to troubleshoot the problem. Place the troubleshooting steps in the correct order to answer. Move each step from the list on the left to its order on the right. So you're a network administrator, assistant.
Okay.
And you notice you cannot access the internet. So what do we do? So what's the first step?
First step is the IP address.
Check the hardware. Okay.
Make sure it's connected.
Check your
okay, no, I don't
IP.
No.
Use what? Hello?
Is it use ping?
Use IP
IP config.
Okay, use IP config. Then what's next?
Then you ping. You ping it.
Ping.
No,
Okay.
that one is
And what's next?
You perform a DNS
your
check.
ISP.
I cannot come again.
You perform a DNS check. Right?
Perform a DNS check. Okay. That was next.
Before you contact your, and maybe you check your hardware. The hardware, sorry, that hardware, is it the connection or what?
Yes, the hardware can be the adapter card, the Ethernet cable. So you need to check all of that.
You have to check that first before you begin.
That's the first one.
That should be number one.
Yeah.
That should be number one.
Yes.
Yeah.
You is connected. Then you begin with any other search.
So we check the hardware, then what do we do?
You check the hardware.
No.
IP config.
Check the hardware. IP config.
Then you ping. You use ping.
IP config.
No.
Sorry.
No. I think it's ping go. It's ping. It's ping go to check.
You use the ping for trust.
Okay. Then what do you do again?
Then perform a DNS check.
Yes.
Perform a DNS check.
You've not used the IP config. We said you check the hardware. Use IP config. Then you ping use right.
Use ping. Okay.
Okay.
Which one comes first? Then you confirm a DNS check.
Okay.
Before you contact your ISP.
Contact your ISP. Then what else?
And you check for antivirus. Okay, do you check for antivirus? Okay, you check for antivirus first before you get the ISP.
Contact ISP is the last thing.
Last, yes.
Okay. Then contact your ISP.
Just wait, guys. Just wait. I feel use the IP config will be after contacting your ISP because they will ask you for your IP ID. What do you think?
So you
do that
you do everything first before you contact them. So when they ask you
contacting your ISP should be the last step.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to check these are the various checks that you perform first before contacting your ISP, so that when they ask you, have you done this and that and that, you are able to tell them what you have done.
But that DNS check versus check on virus, which one should come first?
That's it's just the order now that I'm not so particularly sure.
And so which comes first?
DNS. I think ping
your hardware first to make sure that
IP config.
Yes.
Check the hardware. I think we can leave it this way.
So should I proceed?
Yes.
Yeah, find out.
We'll find out.
I should hang on.
Go ahead and find out if we're wrong.
We'll find out. Yeah, if we have made any mistake.
Okay.
You contact your ISP, then you check on virus and malware protection.
Okay, we are good.
You're good. You're okay. You're okay.
All right.
This step 5.
Don't move yet.
Yes.
Please. Okay. Check hardware. IP config.
IP config.
Use ping.
Or tracer.
Then perform DNS check. Okay. Contact your ISP.
Okay, like we'll finish the technical part first, right? Before you begin to look into any other things. Is that what it means? Okay, we finish the technical part then. We'll now go into if viruses, if no viruses. Okay, to make sure that it's not from the viruses. Okay, you are doing all this to make sure the ISP has no issues with any other thing before it goes to the virus.
Yes. So sometimes maybe your antivirus software might be blocking certain ports from having access to the internet. So when you use the command prompt, I've checked the hardware, my Wi-Fi is working. That's the first step, right? Then I use my IP config space /all just to at least get an understanding of my IP address. Okay, so this is my default gateway, 10.20.21.1. So let me ping my router. Am I able to get to my router? 20.21.1. So I ping my router. Oh, I'm getting a reply from my router. Or I can use a trace set where I trace the number of the number of routers that my system will need to go through to get the information. So google.com. So before I get to google.com from here, I'll need to go through my router. So that is the first router on the road. I will need to contact another router, which is also on another network. I get to another router. 3, I get to another router. 4, I'll get to another router. 5. So it will keep hopping from router to router till I get to Google server to get a google.com web page, and that will be transmitted to my system through my default gateway. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So if you look at what's happening, it's trying to reach another router, but that router is not responding. So they will need to find another route to get to google.com. So the routers connect networks together. Does that make sense? And this is one practical example. So the use of the trace set. So when you trace so at least we have 3 routers on the road which are not responding. So we're still trying to find another road that will lead us to google.com.
Okay.
So when you type google.com, you see the page, boom, but this is what goes on behind the scene to get you the web page, to get you facebook.com, LinkedIn, to get you Instagram. So this is what your ISP's router will be, at least getting in touch with other routers on the route to get you the web page. Does that make sense now?
Yes.
So it means we have about 5 routers which are not responding. So it will keep going till we get our google.com. Trace complete. So finally, it has to go through about 13 routers to get our google.com. Does that make sense?
Wow. Yeah.
So if you do a trace set and you're not getting any reply and it's request time and request time down, then it means that no, I'm not able to get to the internet.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
At least this at least will help you understand this better. Okay. So the most common operating systems are developed and marketed by a few well-known companies. For each statement, select yes if the company develops or markets the operating system, or no if it does not. So iOS is developed and marketed by Android. Is that a yes or a no?
No.
Okay.
No.
Google does not develop operating systems. Is that a yes or a no?
Yes.
Yes.
Google,
Well,
they don't
No.
develop operating system.
No, I don't know that that's
No.
true.
Yes.
Google is a full company. Why
So
would
is
they
that a yes
develop?
or a no?
Yes, now.
Say no now.
That's a no.
Okay.
Google does
Apple,
not develop operating system. No.
That's
Okay.
wrong.
Apple is the registered owner of the Mac OS. Yes or a no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
The Windows operating system is a Microsoft product.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now we move on to what next? Okay. For each statement, select yes if the type of USB matches the image, or no if it does not. So we have image A. Image A is a USB type C, typically used on newer devices. Is that yes?
No.
Okay.
No. No.
Image B is a micro USB, typically used on phones, headphones, Bluetooth devices, and power banks.
Yes.
Is that a yes or a no?
Yes.
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 Yes. Yes.
Image C is a firmware connector used with iPhones. Yes or no?
No.
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 Okay. Image D is a lightning connector used with Apple products.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Image
Yes.
E is a
I think
USB-C.
lightning connector used in
Okay.
Apple product.
Yes.
Then what about E?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So next. Well done. So for each statement, select yes. So a database management system accesses information on the internet. Is that a yes or a no?
No.
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 Presentation software displays text, images, and multimedia as a slideshow. Yes or a no?
Yes.
Yes.
The purpose of a web browser is to store, organize, and manipulate related set of data. Yes or a no?
No.
Okay.
I've lost it.
Spreadsheet software analyzes and performs calculations and display data as charts. Yes or a
Yes.
no?
Yes.
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 A word processor program outputs text in document format. Yes or a no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Next. Okay, good. Refer to the image. For each statement, select yes if the hardware component matches the description, or no if it does not. Image A is a solid state drive. Is that a yes or a no?
No.
Okay. Image B is memory. Is that a yes or a no?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Image C, this is not memory.
Okay.
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 Image C is a central processing unit. Is that a yes or a no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, next. The Windows operating system has a taskbar that appears by default at the bottom of the screen. What is the purpose of the Windows operating system taskbar? Browses the internet, allows you to search for content within a file, allows you to launch programs or view any program that is currently open, and browses files stored on your computer.
That's the
Allows
C.
you to launch
To launch
programs or
program.
any
You any
program that
program
is
that is
currently
currently
open.
open.
Okay, good. Now, next. Which of the following would be a feature of a good network infrastructure for a school? Acceptable use policy is not required, allows anyone to access the network from anywhere, easily scales the network as the student population grows, and support anonymous logins. So what's a
Easily
good
scale
Really skills
skills? Okay.
population growth.
Okay. An operating system is a software that manages all of the installed dash and hardware on a computer or device. All of the installed what? Is it configuration, implementations, applications, files?
Applications.
Applications.
Okay.
applications.
Okay, good. What is a URL? A cascading style sheet, the system for tagging text files to add effects to web pages, the address for a web page, a type of web browser.
The address for your web page.
The address for a web page.
Okay.
Website.
Okay. What are three popular web browsers? Rover, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, OneNote, Microsoft Edge.
Google Chrome,
Chrome,
Mozilla Firefox,
Edge.
Mozilla
Microsoft.
Firefox,
Microsoft Edge.
Okay,
Microsoft.
well done. Which digital option allows users to send letters via the internet?
Email.
Okay, good. Which are common input devices for computers? Choose two answers. Input devices
Keyboard,
for
Than the
mouse.
mouse.
Keyboard,
mouse,
mouse.
keyboard.
And keyboard. Yes.
What does the abbreviation USB stand for?
Universal
Bus.
Serial
Serial
Bus.
bus.
Serial
one.
bus. Okay, the first one. Okay.
Mm.
Bluetooth transfers data at a maximum rate of dash megabits per second. Is it 2, 3, 4, or 5?
I don't know this one.
Mm-hmm.
I go for 4, but I'm not sure.
I'm not sure of this one.
I don't know then.
So which one should I select?
Maximum, right?
Wait,
Let's say
Yes.
2. Let's say 2 megabytes per second.
Not 2, it's more than 2.
It's more than 2. So which is which?
Or you can just click the answer so that all of us will know, instead of each person
So that we'll
guessing.
know today. We'll find out.
Okay.
Know
We'll
today.
find
So
out.
it's
What's the answer?
3 megabits per
5.
second. Okay.
Hmm?
It's
Thank
3
you.
megabits
Yeah,
per
I'm going for
second.
4.
So now we know.
Now we know.
So software runs on top of the dash and manages the computer's hardware by instructing it to complete specific tasks. So software runs on top of what? Is it the settings, the application, the browser, or the operating system?
The operating system.
Operating
Okay.
system.
Okay. Where can a user find and download apps and subscriptions on a Windows computer? Hello?
Microsoft
Yeah,
Store.
we can hear you.
Microsoft Store.
Okay.
Microsoft Store. Okay. Which type of computing device is made up of a tower, monitor, keyboard, and mouse?
Desktop. Okay, all in
Desktop.
one. Desktop.
Okay. The more RAM a user has on their computer, the slower their applications will function. Is that true or false?
False.
Okay. Many different phone manufacturers use the iOS mobile operating system. Is that true?
False. False.
Okay.
False.
Only Apple does.
Which operating system was developed by Microsoft?
Windows.
Hey, my people, you are doing well. Okay. Which are the 3 types of networks? Wired, wireless, proprietary, cellular, Ethernet.
You have the
Wired,
wireless.
Network
wireless,
and
and
cellular.
Cellular. Okay.
Yeah, cellular.
And then you guys, you blow the this level 1 exam. Which is an open network that anyone can access.
Linux. Linux.
I know. Yes,
know.
I know.
An open network.
Open network.
Open network that anyone can access.
Why is the wide
Internet.
local area network? No, internet.
Internet.
Yes.
Okay.
It's internet, sorry.
So nobody owns the internet, yeah?
Yes.
Where is internet connectivity displayed on tablets and smartphones? In the backstage, along the bottom of the screen. It is not displayed clearly along the top of the screen.
Along the top of the screen.
Okay. Which are common operating systems for computers?
Windows.
And which one?
Macintosh.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Which operating system is proprietary? Is it Windows, Gnode, Cosmos, Linux?
Windows.
Okay.
Proprietary. Windows.
What is HTML?
Hypertext markup or something.
So the system of using tags and attributes to determine how a website should display, a type of web browser, the address for a web page, a cascading style sheet. So what is that?
Style sheet. Style sheet.
Are you sure?
Wait.
That's
it. Yes.
Okay. So use tags.
So that one is.
So you see the practicality here as well. Refer to the image below. Which icon can a user select to reload a web page? Is it A? Is it C? Is it D? Or is it B if you want to reload a web page?
I think it's C.
Option what? C.
Circular arrow. I can't see very well, but
You
circular
can
arrow.
see? Yes.
Yeah, but
Option
I know the
It's
icon,
C.
the circular arrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Option C. Okay. Good. Which is true of cloud storage? Choose 3 answers. Users access the files via the internet from any device. Storage
Yes.
space
Yes.
is unlimited. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Are you sure storage stage is unlimited?
Limited.
Okay.
No, it's not. It's
Let's look at
limited.
the
No,
options.
it's not.
Let's just go to option.
Okay. Users must have an account and be logged in to view or save files.
Yes.
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 It stores files in a remote physical location and it allows users to send messages quickly. So what is it?
I think it's A, B, the first 3.
Yes.
The first 3?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
No. You
in a
storage space is
remote.
not limited.
Oh,
It's not
physical.
unlimited.
No,
You have to
no.
buy the space. There are different
Uh-huh.
And you
sizes.
buy.
So it's not unlimited.
And then you buy it
And
It
now.
allows
Yes. If that's the question. If you're
No,
talking
Uh-huh.
from that.
Yeah, I think it's stored files in a remote physical location.
Okay.
No,
Let's see.
physical.
Location.
Physical.
In the
No.
cloud.
Physical. No.
No,
Not
it's in the cloud.
physical.
Data
yes.
centers
In
now,
the
where they store
cloud.
the cloud
Could be-
material, they have centers.
Say server.
Uh-huh.
Mm.
Let's
So it's
settle on
storage.
this quarrel.
I think it's A, B, and C. I think, storage space is you can buy unlimited. I don't think there's a limit to how much storage you can buy in cloud computing for now. I don't know. Depending on if you can pay for it, you get as much storage space,
You are right.
space as you need. But because
Okay.
when we talk of storing files in remote physical location, I don't think it's
They have
physical.
data centers that
I
every
don't think
country
that
has,
is it.
where the cloud storage is stored in.
But they said stores.
Okay, no problem. It's okay, let's see what the
Let's
answer
check
is.
and see. At least we
So-
agree on 2.
ABC.
Let's check and see which one is the third one.
So which one is the third one?
ABC.
ABC. You all agree?
We-
No,
we-
Let's
agree.
check the answer.
We'll find
We'll
out.
see if we are correct or not. Okay.
ABC. It stores
So
files in
Tola
a
got
remote
it right.
physical
it's
location.
a server.
Thank God I Amazon Cloud something, so I understood that data center thing. I was trying to
Okay.
tell you.
Okay. So they have a remote physical
Yes,
location.
but I thought the emphasis was
Yes,
on.
it's a
Yes,
server.
This was
Okay.
a trick question. It was a trick question.
But it's remote.
Yes. So which are examples of input devices? Choose 3 answers. Input.
Input is
Okay. Microphone,
Mm-hmm.
biometric fingerprint scanners,
Scanners,
and stylus.
Okay.
stylus.
Good.
Stylus.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's move on. Which are examples of output devices?
output devices,
Yes.
Printers,
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 Webcam.
webcam is,
Web.
yeah,
webcam.
Yes.
Those two, printers and speakers. No,
They said
webcam,
Webcam.
not part
Oh,
of them.
Two.
Yes.
The webcam is an input device, actually.
Yeah.
Ah,
So it's
Okay.
printers and
Oh, yeah.
printers and speakers.
okay. Okay.
Printers and speakers.
So we need to drag, right? USB 1.0 can transmit data at 12 megabits per second. So you see why I told you to keep this in memory, because you are writing the exam. But I have the liberty of not keeping this in memory. Yes.
But you pardon us for now if we don't have it kept in our memory as of this morning.
Okay, then what I'll do is I'll move on to the next.
No, let's try.
No, let's try. Let's try.
No, let's try.
Okay, try. Okay,
Let's
try.
try.
Yes.
Let's try.
Okay. So
It's not
USB
1.0 transmit
smallest
at
one.
12 megabits. Is
False.
that true or false?
Number
It's
2 is true.
False.
It's false. Okay.
Yes.
What about 3.0?
True.
I'm plugging into 2.0 port, but we only transmit at the speed of a USB 2.0. I am not sure it can plug into.
It's true.
It's true. Okay.
Mm.
USB 3.0 can transmit data at 5 gigabits per second. Is that true?
False.
Yes.
I'm not sure.
False or true?
False.
Sure.
5
Okay.
gig is
Sure,
false.
Professor.
False.
Why false? Okay, because it's a maximum of 3 or what?
5 gigs is heavy, man, per second. 5 gigabyte data per second.
Oh, yeah. You're right.
It's
That's
not
too
that
heavy.
wide.
That's too
They're
heavy.
different. So
You're right.
gigabits and gigabytes are different.
Yes,
Okay,
gigabits
gigabit.
is the
Even at
speed,
that.
and gigabytes, look at the storage capacity. So you need to check the distinction.
Mm.
It can.
It can. Okay.
Gigabits.
Yeah, that's quite true.
Okay. USB 2.0 can plug into 3.0 ports and it will transmit data at the speed of 3.0.
False.
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 Okay.
Oh,
USB 2.0 can transmit data at 360 megabits per second. True or false?
True.
I say true.
Okay.
true.
Okay. Let's see. Mhm.
This 5 gigabits.
So 12 megabits per second is true. Like 2.0 will not transmit at 360 megabits per second, which is false. But the rest, you got it.
Oh,
So at
now
least
we know.
you tried. You've done well.
We tried. It's always good to
Yes.
try.
Okay. So question 52. Use drag and drop to match the USB type to its correct port color.
Mhm.
So
Mm.
2.0, 1.0, 3.0. So
3.03.
Is
3.0 is blue.
3.0 is blue.
3.0
is
is
Yes.
blue.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Blue.
2.0 is black.
2.0 is black.
Yes.
The 1.0 is what? White.
White. Yes.
Submit. Lab complete. Let's check. The answer is correct. Well done.
Yay.
Yay.
Which type of USB has a reversible connector? USB-C, micro USB, and lightning connector. Reversible
USB-C.
connector. USB-C. Okay.
Are you sure, Professor?
Yes,
Hey.
it does.
Yeah.
Oh,
The plug and then
Okay.
switch
You use it like
your port.
this, so you can.
I have
Which
that.
type of cable can transfer data to 480 megabits per second? Is it a micro USB, USB-C, USB, or lightning connector?
I'm not sure of this. It should be something bigger.
Yes.
Be a lightning
how
connector.
about the lightning connector?
Lightning connector?
You don't know.
You
They
don't
just want
know?
to- Yeah, just try it. We don't know.
Let's just go with lightning connector.
Hey,
It's micro
micro.
USB. Micro
Oh,
USB.
serious.
Okay. Micro
Hey.
USB.
Which is an example of a web browser besides Edge that comes pre-installed on a computer.
Internet Explorer.
Internet
Internet
Explorer.
Explorer.
Internet
Okay.
Internet
Okay.
Explorer.
Good old days.
Yes.
Which is true of open source software? Choose 3 answers. It is more
Okay.
user-friendly than proprietary software. Its license is technology neutral. It is less secure than proprietary software. It is more
True.
secure than proprietary software. And it allows users to modify the software to fit their specific needs.
Allows
It is
users to
it is
modify
less secure.
software to fit their
Buy
specific
software
needs.
to fit their specific
Uh,
needs. It is less secure.
It is
Less
secure.
secure than
License
proprietary.
technology neutral.
Come again?
License
It is
technology neutral.
Or is it more
It is
user
less
friendly?
secure.
Yes, it is less secure.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
yes.
Can I proceed?
More user friendly, right?
Yes.
It is more user-friendly.
Yeah.
How
How
many
many are we
years?
choosing?
No.
No, license is technology neutral.
License is technology neutral.
Okay.
So now,
What's the
This one
open source, it is
more
more
secure.
secure than proprietary software.
no, that's
Ah,
what
That was
It is
open
less
source
secure.
is more
Yes,
secure.
open source. Yes, it has
Wow.
been proven to
no,
be
I
more
don't agree with
secure.
this one.
Wow.
agree.
I think
It has
was
been
less
proven to be
secure.
more secure and have fewer malware attacks than
No,
proprietary
how?
software. Because
wow.
usually people develop malwares for proprietary software because they want to bring down the company. So they are always
Oh,
devising ways to attack the proprietary software than the
Really?
open source. So they don't focus their
It's
attention on
more
the open
secure.
source. Is it okay?
You're right. So,
Yes.
But
Wow.
yes,
because
Thank you.
the thing is, whenever you are up there, by human nature, people want to bring you down.
Bring it
So that is
down.
what they do. They will attack those that are
Hmm.
proprietary and the open source.
Hmm.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Thank
Uh-huh.
you for that.
yes,
Yes.
so
So
Yes, sir. It is.
it's very insightful.
which is true of proprietary source software? It allows users to modify the software to fit their specific needs. Its license is technology neutral. It is proven to more malware attacks. It is prone to
Yes,
more malware attacks than open
Yes,
source software.
so
yes.
It is more
yes,
user-friendly than open source software. It is less secure than the open source software.
Yes.
Proprietary.
It is
Less
So
prone
which is
to
which?
more
secure,
malware. Less secure than open source
less
software.
secure,
Is it?
more prone, and
Okay.
less secure. It is
It is more user
prone
friendly.
to more
more
malware.
user-friendly.
And it's prone to more malware.
Okay.
Oh, no,
No.
wait.
Yeah,
Is that okay?
Wait,
that's
so
correct.
I don't agree with it. Okay, more user. Okay, yeah, that's correct. That's correct.
Are we okay?
Mm.
Yes.
Yes, we are.
Very good.
Okay. Good. So let's drag and drop to match the device name. Okay. So the first one is what?
Let's see.
Stop.
Good.
Right?
Huh?
First one is a. I can't even see it well. It's so small. That's the
That's all
desktop.
in one
Okay, all
computer.
in one. It's an all in
Okay,
one
that's
computer.
a desktop.
No,
That's a
I know
Desktop.
it's only one computer.
No, the first
Okay, that's
the
the
desktop.
the
Because we
second
have
one.
a tower, we have a monitor.
No.
Okay, yeah, that's the desktop. First one is
Okay.
Yes, the
desktop.
first one is an anywhere computer.
And this is what?
Second, laptop.
No,
Laptop.
no,
And the third
no.
one.
No.
Third,
That's a
That's a
desktop.
desktop. That is a
third is
desktop.
all.
This one is a desktop.
This one is
Third.
a
Yes, the
desktop.
third one is
All
a desktop. The
It's a
first one is an
desktop.
all-in-one
Third one is
computer.
a desktop. All-in-one computer.
That's all in one computer. The first one is
Yes.
desktop. Desktop.
The first one is desktop. The
First
second
one
is
is
Yeah.
all-in-one.
Second one is
all in
laptop.
one. And the
Third,
last
all
one,
in
And the last one is a tablet.
tablet. Okay.
Tablet. Eh,
Okay. So let's continue. Okay, done.
oh,
Which type of memory does ROM use? Is
Sorry,
it
so that's the
volatile,
one is what? That was what?
non-volatile, implicit,
non-volatile.
or explicit?
Non-volatile.
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 There seems to be some background noise, so if you can check, please. Which type of memory does RAM use?
Volatile.
Volatile. Okay. What can be stored on a hard drive? Choose 3 answers. The user's personal files, the computer's operating system, hard data, installed software, cloud storage.
users' personal files. Hard
Installed software.
The computer's
Okay.
operating system, right?
Okay.
No. Yeah.
Okay.
Installed
Correct.
software. Sorry.
Which can store a computer's operating system? Choose 2 answers.
Hard
Solid
drive.
state hard drive, USB drive, cloud storage, and which solid state drive. So you're choosing 2. Solid state drive. Okay. Okay, good. Which are features of the Android operating system? Choose 2 answers. It is fully proprietary. It is an open source operating system. the Apple App Store has around 2.8 million apps as of 2020. Google Play has around 2.8 million apps as of 2020. Choose two answers.
Android.
Android operating system, yes.
I think Google Play has
around
2.8 million.
8 million apps as of
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
2020.
Google Play. And it's an open source, right?
It is fully proprietary, right?
Is
It
it
is
open
what? Open
source?
source?
Okay, it's an open source operating system.
Yes. Okay. What is the name of the iOS virtual assistant?
Oh, I know her.
Siri.
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 Name is
Siri.
Okay. Siri. Okay. Good. Which is true of the Linux operating system? Choose three answers. It cannot be used on anything but mobile devices.
Do you want me to use ChatGPT to answer that?
Because I mentioned Siri, my phone just responded. Sorry. Which is true of the Linux operating system? Choose three answers. It cannot be used on anything but mobile devices. It has high security. It can run on any hardware. Users can modify the software by the program source code. It is proprietary.
As
Users
high
can
security
modify the
can run on any hardware user can modify.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bam. Which is true of the Windows operating system? Choose three answers. It is more prone to attacks and viruses. It is user-friendly. It includes a graphical interface and a desktop where users view files within Windows. It is not compatible with many types of devices. It is open source.
It's user-friendly.
User-friendly.
A graphic interface.
It is more prone to attacks and viruses.
Really?
It includes a graphic.
Okay, it includes a interface and desktop where just, yes.
Are we okay?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
we're good.
Yes.
Good. Which is true of the Mac OS operating system? Choose three answers. It is more prone to attacks and viruses. It can be used on any device. It can only be used on Apple devices.
I don't need to use
It
an
is
Apple.
okay. It is open source. It is user-friendly.
It is more prone to attacks and viruses.
Okay.
And
No, I don't think it's user-friendly. I don't think it's user-friendly. I don't even know how to use
it is
most of it.
user-friendly. In the context of the options we have, that's the next one you can choose.
All right.
You can use it on just any device, and it's not an open source. So,
And I wish your Mac OS is prone to attacks and viruses.
No.
I'm not
because
sure.
we have
So.
It's prone to.
because it is proprietary.
I think it's
proprietary.
iPhones are not
Okay.
Proprietary. We say
But it's not
proprietary are more open to attacks than open source.
Yes,
So are we okay with this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Prone to virus. Okay.
Yay, we got it.
We got it.
Good.
Because
Which device converts data from digital to analog and vice versa to transmit signals over a network? Router, network adapter, modem, Ethernet cable.
Ethernet cable.
Are we sure about that?
Network adapter.
Are we sure about that?
I'm not too sure.
I'll go with Ethernet cable.
Are we all going with Ethernet cable? Are you sure about this?
Internet cable, yes, sir.
I'm not sure about that.
So you want me to move on?
We are not too sure. Just tell us.
Okay.
Modem.
It's modem.
Let's go for modem.
Modem.
Yeah, I said
Modulator,
modem.
demodulator. Okay.
Yeah. Moderate the modulator, demodulator.
That is it. So which hardware is used to connect a computer to another computer or server over a LAN? Which hardware? Is it a modem, router, DSL, or network adapter? Connect a computer to another computer. or server over a local area network?
Router,
A router?
DSL,
A router.
network. I don't know.
A router.
Router.
Are you sure it's a router?
Network
100%
adapter.
sure.
Over a local
Router.
area network.
Yes, local area network.
You need a router even in a LAN.
It's not a router.
So
It's
what is
not.
the answer?
Hardware is the one that you see physically.
Mm-hmm. A router is also a,
Which
is also a physical
connect.
device.
Okay.
Even a modem.
Do we choose router?
But
Or
that's-
this?
So which one are we going for?
I'm not sure of this answer.
What's the meaning of
Router.
this DSL? What does it mean? What's the full meaning?
Digital subscriber line.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a digital something. So it's between
network.
a router and a network adapter because it's not a modem.
But we are looking at a local area network. It's within the local area network. That is the
It could be a
emphasis.
router.
Okay, let's look
router
at
in a
Come again?
local area.
Okay.
It can be router. You also use router to share whatever within a local area network. Maybe not.
Okay.
Is it a
So
digital fiber line?
Use your
which one
internet.
are we sticking to?
Which hardware is used to connect a computer to another computer or server?
Digital subscriber line.
A router now, right?
No, router. I go with router.
Do you all agree with
Let's-
router?
Let's see.
The router.
They say router.
I go with router.
You are saying router. Okay, we'll find out.
Yeah.
It's a network adapter,
Eh,
network
Well,
interface
Wow.
card.
I
Because
said that. Everybody said no. So,
if you are using router goes outside
mhm.
to the internet to get you stuff.
Okay.
So that is
Okay.
the job, to route
Route.
from one network to another network. But within your network, local area network, you need your network interface card, which is a network card, to connect all the devices within the network for communication. But if for one or two reasons they need to go outside of their network to look for another resource, then the router will come in.
Oh,
Okay.
I see.
Okay.
Aha.
Thank you.
Good.
Network.
Okay. Good.
router.
So, which is an internet connection with shared bandwidth that has fast speed? An internet connection with shared bandwidth that has fast speed. Is it DSL, cable, network adapter, Ethernet cable? Mhm.
Shared bandwidth.
Yes.
An
Shared
internet.
Internet cable.
Is it an internet
shared,
cable?
shared bandwidth.
Ethernet
looking at-
cable.
The bandwidth, we are looking at the data, yeah, in our part of the world.
Okay.
So it is
Is
what?
it something DSL?
Is that the cable or DSL, right? Which is the internet connection?
So
Digital.
decide.
DSL.
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 DSL. Okay, let's see.
Oh my
Cable.
God. Cable.
Cable.
So cable.
Uh-huh.
So cable internet transmits data through a cable television network. Okay. So a cable connection shares bandwidth with others using the same cable line. Even though
Okay.
cable internet is a shared connection, it usually has faster speeds. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
So
Noted. Thank you.
what is the period of time a user spends on a website called? A traffic tracker, a session, a browser history.
History.
Session.
Session.
The period of time is what? A session? Okay. Let's see. Yeah.
Wait.
It's
Yeah,
a session.
it's a session.
It's a session.
Yeah.
The session.
Are we okay? Good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wi-Fi uses blah, blah, blah to establish a connection to a network. It provides the convenience of accessing the network, the internet from anywhere there is what? A Wi-Fi connection. So is it cable, microwaves, radio waves, or wired connection?
Radio waves.
Radio waves.
waves.
Okay. Okay. Which is true of an intranet? Choose two answers.
Okay.
Which is true of an intranet? Choose two answers. It is not very
It's a
secure.
private network.
It's a private network.
Okay.
And it requires a wired connection, right?
User must have login information to access
Yeah.
it.
Users must have login information.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. What hardware is required for a wired connection? Choose two answers.
For a wired connection.
Wire connection. You need Ethernet cable
Internet cable
Mhm.
and
I think network adapter.
Network adapter.
Okay. Okay, good. That can come through a digital subscriber line, integrated service digital networks, cable TV, or a wired or wireless cellular network. So software updates, network infrastructure, internet connectivity,
Internet
hardware company.
connectivity.
Okay.
Internet connectivity.
Okay. Use the Windows search bar to find Excel. To finish, select the Enter key. So we want to find Excel. So practical stuff here. How do we use the Windows search bar? Where do I go? Where do I click?
to find what?
Click
Excel.
on the Excel icon there.
Excel. Okay.
Yes. So what do I do?
Click on the
The icon
file.
is there.
Okay, here, Cortina. Is it
Then
Cortina or search?
I'll type what? Excel.
Excel.
So now I've completed a lab. Okay. Practical.
Okay.
So
Search
use
on
the
Excel.
Windows search bar to find Excel. To finish, select the Enter key. Oh no, we've done it. So use the select and hold or right-click method to customize the screen background to display the image of a woman running on a beach, then close the dialog box. So we need to customize our desktop wallpaper. So how do we do this? What should I do?
Right click.
Okay. Then what do I do again?
Go to graphic options. Or is
Graphic
it
options? No,
yes.
that's not it.
I don't know which one you're going to.
No, you go to personalize.
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 If you look at the question, we are looking for the woman running on the beach, right?
Okay, okay.
So this is the woman running on the beach.
Okay. Click on it.
Yeah.
Then close the dialog box. So I'll just close it. So I've changed my wallpaper.
Okay.
So you see the beauty of IC3?
Yes.
Yes. Good. Using the address bar, navigate to the website learnkey.com and save it as a bookmark. Keep all default.
All right. Address bar. Yes.
So where's our address bar?
Yeah, go to bookmark.
Type
That's
a
address bar up there.
That's where you have the look.
Okay.
Then you come
So
to.
I'm there.
Then
So how do I save it?
Then you come to the star. Click on the star to get the bookmark. Yes, to get the bookmark.
And I'll say done. That's it.
Done,
Keep all
yes.
the
I have all things saved in my bookmark.
You guys, you switched on today. That's good. Use the start button to navigate to Wi-Fi settings.
Okay.
So what do I do?
Click on the Windows
Click
icon.
on start button.
On the window.
Click on it.
Then I look for what?
Setting. Click on setting.
Settings.
Yeah.
And what do I do? Looking for the Wi-Fi.
Network connection. Network connection.
Internet.
Yes.
Select Wi-Fi.
That's it.
Yeah.
Complete.
It's complete.
think you guys should be taking the exam maybe next week. The way you are
Oh,
on fire.
I think we
But
can.
we've not finished with the other part, so hold your
Yes, we
horses.
have not finished with that.
Use the browse by topic option of the Digital Public Library of America to search for information on baseball.
Okay.
Browse by
Wait.
topic option.
You go to that search bar.
Is it use the browse by topic
Click
option?
on browse by topic, yes.
Topic.
Okay, so we click on browse by topic.
I'm clicking and nothing is happening. So what do I do?
In the search bar, you type what you want.
Come to the search box.
So browse by. I'm clicking, nothing is happening. I don't know why.
Box, right?
Okay. Can we use the search box also?
let's
No.
search box.
We can't use
Topic
the
under
I
the
think
search box.
browse by topic, which is here.
Yes, under the search box. Yes.
Then what do we do again?
Yeah.
Then you come into the
Yeah.
box then and type
To
the
search for
topic.
information on what? Baseball, right?
Baseball.
Yes.
Yeah.
So type baseball.
No, baseball is here.
Yeah.
You don't need to search
Is
for
it
it.
there
It's
already?
here.
Okay, it's already
yeah,
baseball.
it's there.
That's
Okay.
it.
Yeah.
Okay. So another lab. Use the tabs to open the waterfall at Emerald Pool's webpage and then the Hidden Canyon Trail webpage. So use the tabs. Okay.
Yes, click on the tab.
No.
It
Use
says
the
something.
tab to open the waterfall at Emerald.
Is it on this page?
Yeah, that's what I'm
Emerald
looking at.
webpage.
You see the tabs.
Yeah, I can see the tabs.
Yes. So once you hit on this,
Okay, it's on the tab already.
yes.
Yeah.
All right.
It's open.
There, waterfall at
Click
Emerald
on
Pool.
it.
No, it's here. Waterfall.
It's there
Then
already.
hidden.
Yeah.
It's there already, so we don't need to open it. So the tabs.
And
they are
then the
there.
Hidden Canyon Trail website. Webpage.
Yes. So Hidden Canyon and Waterfall. Good.
Yeah.
I think another lab. Okay, so more labs for us as we get to the end.
Okay.
Use the toolbar to open the Skype for business application.
Okay.
So where is our toolbar?
It's below.
So they are talking about our taskbar here, I think.
Yes.
That's it.
Yeah.
The S, yes,
The
S
taskbar.
icon. Yes.
That's it. Okay.
Yes.
Whoa, incorrect. Okay.
Use the start button to enable Bluetooth on a PC.
Okay. Go to
So
start.
where do you start?
You click on
Go to
that.
Go to
Bluetooth.
settings.
Windows.
Or you can type it in search.
You can type
Settings. You go to settings.
Okay.
Go
Yes.
And where do
to
we go?
Bluetooth.
You see network and
And
internet. Yes.
I just type Bluetooth directly when I
I
come to
see
settings.
devices.
Devices.
Yeah,
Then
devices.
Bluetooth. That's
You
it.
see
Then you
Bluetooth.
click on Bluetooth and other devices. Yes.
Devices. That is it. Okay. Use the Launchpad application to enable Bluetooth on a Mac.
Wow, Mac.
So now we are within the Mac
Right.
environment now. So this is
Yeah.
Launchpad, right?
Okay. Yes.
Just double click.
Click on it.
Launchpad.
Okay. Is there Bluetooth there in the options? I can't see it very well.
It's AirDrop.
Devices.
Application Launchpad. Yeah. Then we
Okay.
look for what? Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
Okay. Okay. I don't
That means
see.
they have to know the Mac interface also, not only the
Yes.
Android.
You need to know.
Because
Yes.
I don't know a Mac very well.
So
I've not
Bluetooth.
used it before.
I'm also like you. No, I'm not used to Mac.
I've not used it before.
So system preferences,
Okay.
then Bluetooth,
Okay.
then turn Bluetooth on. Done. Okay. So just like going to the settings of what Windows, so you can transfer that knowledge.
Okay.
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 Download Malwarebytes onto the Windows computer.
Quick Windows Malwarebytes.
We need to
So
download.
Click on free download.
Free download.
download. Click on the free download button.
Then we say keep.
Yes.
Then it's downloaded.
Downloaded.
Yeah. Okay. Navigate File Explorer to find the downloaded application. Okay.
Okay. Go to your
MB
download.
setup. Okay. So downloads.
Yes.
MB setup. And install the application to a personal computer. So how do we install?
Okay. Open
We
the
double click.
Double click on it and
That
run
is
it.
And we are installing it on our personal computer.
Computer.
So you go to desktop. Is it on
Install.
desktop? Yes.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Probably students will learn how to install programs through this practice exercise,
Yes.
which makes it beautiful. So open Google Chrome and navigate to the website amazon.com using the address bar. So Google Chrome, I think it's already here.
Yes.
On the start bar.
You click on it. Go
Then
to the
I'll
address.
need to go to amazon.com.
Amazon.com.
Bam. Lab is complete. Now, use the start button to check the status of the computer's internet connectivity.
Okay.
So start button. So where do we go?
You
The
go
start
to
button.
Yes.
And what do we do again?
I will go to my settings.
PMD is not
Settings. So
And
from
I'll go
settings,
to
what do we do?
network connections. Is it
Okay.
network?
And what do we do?
You come to this part and see network status, the main page. Connected to the internet.
Yes.
So are we supposed to do something else? Change the network settings.
So let's see.
What are we supposed to do?
Let me check the question.
Let's check
To check the status of the computer's internet connection. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's what we have done.
Yeah, that's the status. We're checking the status. So you go to status here.
Okay.
That's it. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Use the Apple menu to check the status of the computer's internet connectivity. So you're going to transfer that, right? So you need to use the Apple menu, which I think is here.
Is it on top?
Apple menu. Give me a second.
I think we'll go. Are we going to the start button?
Maybe the finder. Okay. So you up about the Mac, you see this button, right?
Yes.
Then we go to system preferences, I think. Then we want to check for the internet connectivity. So for internet connectivity, which of these options? Network.
Network.
Right?
Should be on network. Yes.
That's it. Use the start button to navigate to and run the network troubleshooter option. So I'll go to start. Net settings. Networks and internet. Yeah.
And then you come to the left.
Network what troubleshooter option, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I normally see it somewhere.
Troubleshoot.
I've used it so many times. I can't remember where I used to get it from again.
So network troubleshooter.
I think it should be go to Wi-Fi or I don't know, one of those ones.
Maybe we are under status, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, dial-up, VPN, airplane, mobile, hotspot, data. So network troubleshooter should be.
Can you tell the Ethernet?
Like the data.
What should
Can
I
you
check?
scroll down?
Let's see what's below. How about the Ethernet, the Ethernet? Let's see the cable.
The Ethernet. Okay.
Ethernet.
No, it's not working.
Okay.
It's not.
Can you hear me? Can anybody hear me?
Yes, we
Yes.
can hear you.
Okay.
So you go to change connection properties. Okay.
Why is it?
Then
Change properties. Okay.
we have network troubleshooter here.
Okay.
Okay. You change connection services. Okay.
Yes.
Mhm.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Mhm.
So when did we talk? Okay, went to the status, right?
Yeah, you go to start settings, you go to your network, then under Ethernet, under the Wi-Fi, you see network
Change
options. Then you use that.
Troubleshooting.
What are 3 questions to consider before communicating with others online and in person? 3 questions to consider.
Can't say necessary is what I want to say.
Mhm.
Hurtful is what I plan to say too.
How
Mhm.
many are we to pick? Yeah, that's the second, third, and fourth.
Okay. Okay, good. Done. So now let's look at our score. Ding, 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 ding. Technology basics.
Oh my God, we didn't pass
Yes.
it.
Failed.
Yeah, the passing score, I set it up to 1,000. So you failed
Oh,
with
it's
89%.
1,000.
Yes, so you need to get 1,000 over 1,000.
Wow.
Nice.
But at
Wait,
least you've
is
done
that
well.
your, wait. Is that your rating? Is that your
Yeah,
rating?
that's my rating. Yes, you need to get 1,000 before you sit for the exam. So until you get 1,000, you're not sitting for any exam.
Look at the remaining, is it 110? Is it, how many did we miss? We're going to go through them one
Just
by
one.
one.
So we missed
Hey.
five questions. But it's
Just
fine. Just 5
okay.
questions out of
We
the
tried. 91.
92.
92. Wow.
92, yes.
Can we
So
know the
well
5
done.
questions we missed so that we can go through them?
Oh no, we did that during the
Yeah, those
process.
ones that,
Yes, we did.
Okay, they had the correct answers. Yes.
Yes.
yeah.
So we don't need to go through it
Okay.
again.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Okay, so far, so
We
good.
do this test to make
Yes,
us sure that we can get 1,000.
that is it.
Hey.
So you need to get 1,000 to sit
Yes.
for the exam.
Yes.
So are we okay? Are we all okay with
But
this?
what's the pass score? What's the pass score?
No, the pass score for the exam is 700 out of 1,000.
Okay.
So once you get 700 or 701, then you are good to go.
Okay.
So we as
But for
trainers want to get 1,000. We want to make sure that we know most
Yes.
of the
Yes.
How
how
about
to
for
answer them.
Because once you get
What's the
1,000, I know that
maximum
when
is
you
1,000, right?
the maximum is 1,100%.
Okay.
So if you're able to get that, sitting for the exam, you sit it without fear of what? Failing.
Failure.
Because you know your stuff. And from what we've
Yeah.
done, at least you've captured everything, of which I'm happy about. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So any questions, any additions? It seems today you all have your cameras off. Are we
Because
all okay?
internet is faster when you
Oh, okay.
speed is
Okay.
faster when the
Okay,
camera
that's
is
fine.
off.
Okay, that's fine.
Can you see
No, I can't see you.
Can
We can't see you. Okay, now we can,
you see it?
but it's a bit I don't know. Hello?
The thing will start to lag now.
Yeah, it'll start to lag from here and I think Kelechi, your internet is okay. It's quite stable.
Yes.
Yes.
How you
Mine too.
guys?
Yours
The
is also
Wi-Fi.
stable.
Mine to be
Oh,
stable.
okay. So at least I'm happy about the fact that at least we managed to get 89%. So it's a good, start. So in our next meeting, we'll move on to the level 2 of computing basics. Then once we finish, I'll do a custom test for us to test our knowledge on it. Then we do the level 3 before we come back to digital citizenship. Work on level 1, level 2, level 3. So I'm just
Wow.
hoping that by December 4th, we should have completed, or even before that. So it depends on how fast you grasp it, then we move in that order. Okay. So thank you. Ify, I don't know if you want to speak, but
Grateful for this. This is a
you're
very
welcome.
good testament. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, we appreciate the test.
You're welcome.
I like a lot of things from it.
Yeah. Yes.
Fifi,
Yes.
I have learned that you are the harshest teacher that has ever taught me. Fifi,
Yeah.
oh my goodness. Hey, but I like it because it's going to push us beyond our limits. Good.
Yeah. You need to be stretched. Okay. So I will just leave it here. Then I will upload the recording into our Google Classroom. Then later you can just go over it.
Go
Okay.
over it. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you so very much.
Very,
You're
very
welcome.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Bye.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye.
Bye, everybody.